Hey guys, how are you today? Today I'm going to introduce a website for you. It's called Flaticon. What is Flaticon? It's a website that provides many free icons, and you can download those icons from it. Just like the sound. It's downloaded on the Flaticon. Isn't it cute? Now, let's Google Flaticon. Find Flaticon and left-click on it. It is Flaticon, and you can search the keywords here. First, left-click here. Then, input keywords. For example, I want to search music, so I type music. Below are suggestions for you. Next, left-click on it. On this page, you will see there are some crowns below several icons. It means that you need to pay for it. For example, I want to download this microphone. So I left-click on it. Then you will see this page. And left-click on PNG. You will see two download options. Just left-click on Free Download. Then this icon will be downloaded successfully. Now we come back to PowerPoint and insert the icon on the slide. Find Insert from the toolbar. Left-click on the pictures. And left-click on this device. Then find the folder. Generally, what we download will be saved in the Downloads folder. After you find the icon, double-click on it. And this icon will be pasted on your slide. Now, let's watch the sample video. Search Flaticon on Google. Find Flaticon and left-click on it. It is Flaticon, and you can search the keywords here. Left-click here and input keywords. For example, I want to search music, so I type music. Then left-click on it. Well, I want to download this note, so I left-click on it. Then left-click on PNG. In the two download options, left-click on Free Download. And this icon will be downloaded successfully. Now we come back to PowerPoint and insert the icon on slide. Find Insert from the toolbar. Left-click on the pictures. And left-click on this device. Then find the Downloads folder. After you find the icon, double-click on it. And this icon will be pasted on your slide. Now it's your turn to practice. See you next time. Bye.